Yo, 𝐦𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐡 over here, and this right here is Infiniti Q60 Redsport. This car might not look like it, but it is insanely fast. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. This car looks very sleek and gentlemanly. However, under the hood, it packs a 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine that's tuned to stage 1 and produces around 460 horsepower, which is absolutely crazy. This car looks extremely beautiful and elegant. It is a gentlemanly ride. Over here we have 20-inch sport rims with a massive big brake kit by AP Racing, and behind we have also AP Racing big brake kit. By the way, this car features staggered setup, really a proper sports coupe. Behind we have very nice sounding exhaust. We also have a carbon fiber boot lid. This car is very elegant, however, the power is absolutely insane. And now, let's go in. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful, sporty, and premium looking cabin. First things first, we have this aftermarket, flat bottom, full carbon fiber steering wheel. Very nice to hold. It is curved with leather, multifunctional with pedal shifters, of course. Very beautiful speedometer cluster, super sporty. I super like it. Infotainment, 2 screens for you, because one, we got enough. Very beautiful gear selector with a leather boot. This controller, this is different drive mode select for you. This car got a lot of driving modes. Just have a look, guys. Got sport, got sport plus, got personal, standard, even can go on the snow. Okay, but we'll stick to sport, I think. Very, very beautiful white carbon fiber on the doors as well. Seats are fully electric, by the way. Come with memory settings also. Very beautiful leather on the dashboard. Very nice, very premium. And blacked out roof liner with a sunroof. And behind, we also got very decent room for your rear passenger. The seats are very deep set, so they're actually quite comfortable. And even got cup holders for you. This car also features BOSE Performance sound system, so the tunes you're playing, they are very nice. Alright guys, well, have another look. Really, really nice and premium. Alright guys, this car is just superb. It's truly a gentleman ride. However, when you press the pedal to the floor, the amount of power is absolutely insane. Just wow, a proper beast. Also just now, I want to show you, but forget, look at the seats. Firstly, condition is great, and they hug you very nicely, and they look very beautiful as well. So, in terms of the deal, this car still left 3 years and 9 months on COE. Plenty of time for you to enjoy. Depreciation lowest in the market at only 24,000 plus, which for this piece of automotive engineering, an absolute marvel, is a super good deal. This car condition you saw, paintwork absolutely fantastic, leather absolutely fantastic, and drives absolutely fantastic as well. You all know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.